Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install Monese App on your mobile phone, which is an online banking app. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Firstly, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open App Store or Play Store and search for Monese. You can see the app here, Monese, a banking alternative. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it. You can click on the next button to get started. Click on the allow button to track your activities. Here the app is ready to use. You can click on the get started button to use this application. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.